In this video, I'm going to show you how we can geocode addresses in ArcGIS Pro. So what you'll notice here in this Excel sheet is I've got data for 4 recreation centers in the city of Denver. And I've got a column for facility, address, city, state, and zip. Okay. Once you've got that, what you'll want to do is File, Save As, and make sure it saves to your desired folder. And don't save it into the geodatabase folder. You want to save it into the more general folder. Okay? And then you want to save it as a CSV or a comma delimited file. Don't get confused by the other CSV options that are available. You want to make sure you get the comma delimited and go ahead and hit save. And then you want to close that Excel file. Now you can go into catalog and go searching for that data. Remember, it won't be in your Play GDB. It should be in the generic Play folder. And if you don't see it, you'll want to make sure that you're clicked on the folder that it should be in and then click the menu and refresh. Okay, so there it is. I can just pull it in. Once it's in my GIS, I'll simply right click on it and geocode table. And then you'll walk through this step-by-step table. So I'll just click start. It's already reading the input table correctly. I'll hit next. The input locator is sort of the address reference system that it's going to use to find those addresses. So select Esri World Geocoder, that should be the default. Hit next. Here you'll see that it's already identifying address, city, state, and zip, so you can hit next. The output is where it's going to save, and I would again navigate to your project folder for this. I'll go to play here, and I would save this into the geodatabase. Okay, so I would just double click on it and get inside, and then I would name this, we'll call it Rec Centers Geocoded. Okay, hit save. You can double check there if you just hold the cursor over there and then hit next. It's going to ask if all of these are in the same country, so you just hit United States in this case, hit next. And then I usually just select address in terms of what types of data we're looking at. Hit finish. Double check all of your work here. You can double check that it's going to where you want it to. Scroll down and hit run. And you'll see that it got added to your GIS. You can see that all 4 were matched. There were no unmatched and there were no ties. So I don't need to start the process. And you can see here that the 4 rec centers that were added to my map. And those exist as a feature class in my Play geodatabase folder, so I could always add them back later.